Simply because ang daming magagandang bagay na sunod-sunod na nangyari after Umbusa. From Cedric to Tito Dante, to Piolo, to myself. So sabi ko, panalong-panalo na siya. And then to be recognized by, specifically by the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, ang laking bagay kasi ito yung mga taong kaakibat mo every time na nagpo-promote ako, every time, kahit sino, every time na nagpo-promote ng bagong project. So, it matters to me because these are the people na kasama namin when it comes to spreading the words with our new projects.
So it matters na hindi lang dahil dun sa title, but also because of who the award came from. Sino yung mga nag-decide nun.
Tsaka parang pwede na akong mag-request ng taas ng PF. Kasi nanalo na.
O yun naman, totoo yun, di ba? It comes with it.